Igor from ANTA here. Let's get into some more plumbing. This is a sump pit, which is collecting groundwater from the weeping tile, which is the foundation drains, and also collecting water from the catch basin serving the back walkout. For this home, the sump pump failing actually brought that groundwater about an inch above the pit before the homeowner started bailing it out, so it flooded a bit of the carpet in the basement. Now what I'm pulling out here is an old pump. It's a 1/3 horsepower pump. I'm going to be replacing it with a similar size 1/3 horsepower sump pump made for groundwater, and I'm going to be using Liberty pumps. I like the Liberty pumps because I find that they're quiet, they're pretty well made, they have a good warranty on them. It's 3 years from the manufacturer, and they're easy to install. Now in our area, the common drainage material is ABS, but I prefer to use Schedule 40 PVC for the first couple connections. And that's because I want to be able to use Liberty's quiet check, which is a spring check instead of a swing check valve, which reduces the amount of noise that you get after the pump turns off, so you don't get that water hammering. Now here I am putting the new piping in, and since I am going Schedule 40 PVC to ABS, I prefer not to use transition glue because I find it doesn't make a good seal, and instead I'm going to go for an 1.5" no-hub coupling. That 1.5" no-hub MJ coupling will provide a much better seal, and will also make it a little bit easier to remove the pump or the check valve if it needs service in the future. Now I just wait for the water to drain, let it cycle a couple times so I'm sure that the float's working on and off, and that's it.